Welcome back to my new video, and today I will discuss with you about Google Form. As you know, what is Google Form? Google Form is a data collecting tools by Google, and it is very useful tools by collecting data authentically. So in this video I will show you how to make a Google Form and how to collect data into Google Sheet and how to analyze those data in Google Sheet. So let's enjoy. First, you have to open a browser like Google Chrome, and you can see here the dot on your name. So you can click from here and go down. You can see here the Google Form. If you click here the Google Form, then Google Form automatically opened. Or you can click from it, or you can create from Google Sheet like this. So I prefer to create Google Form from Google Sheet. So I'm just clicking here the Google Sheet. Okay, you can see the first interface from the Google Sheet. Then you can also create a Google Form from here. So I'm just in this case to clicking the blank Google spreadsheet, clicking here, and the first spreadsheet is open. Then I will create a Google Form from here. So I'm just writing the page name or sheet name, practice Google Form. Okay, then go to the tool tab. Okay, here's the tool tab. Click on the tool and you can see create a new Google Form. Just click on here. Okay, loading. Google Form is creating. So the title is transferred here, that is practice Google Form. Okay, so here is the first interface for the Google Form. So you can use this form to collect data by surveying or answering some questions. So in your any field, it can be education field, it can be industrial field, it can be social type field, any type of field, you can apply this Google Form to collect data by surveying or questioning. So how to make a Google Form to collect data? A specific question is important to collect data. If you ask specific questions, then your responder will provide you a good or specific answer to solve your problem. It can be business problem or it can be just collecting data. So in this video I will show how to collect data from blood donor. So as you know, blood type collection is very important for any type of patient in emergency cases. So in this video, as an example, I will pick up the topics, that is blood donor list. So I am just making the name blood donors list. Okay, and you can give, this is the title of Google Form, and you can make a description like here. You can write please give, please help us to provide your blood information okay. This is the title of the page or header. This is the description, and you can see here the question. So we can ask the donor or responder. First question is, what is his or her name? So this option is here, add a question. You can click here to add a question. Here is the first option. We can pick up from here the option add questions. I will discuss in later sequentially on the other options. So I'm just clicking here to add a question, and questions is name, donor name. So I'm just writing the donor name, and here is the sign of picture. You can add picture of blood donating type picture. So it's optional. If you wish, you can add. If you not, then you need to add any picture here. So here is the option drop down list. I'm just clicking the drop down list. Here is the option short answer. You can select a short answer. If you select the short answer, your responder can give you the response with short answer. If I click here the paragraph, then the answer will be broad. There is the multiple choice. You can create multiple choice. I will show the options sequential. So I am just clicking the short answer, that is name, and here is the others bottom side of some option is here, that is duplicate. You can duplicate these questions in the below, or if you think this question is not appropriate for you or your responder, then you can delete from the Google form these questions. And if you think this answer or this question's answer is important or required, then you have to click on the required button. So if you on the button, then responder must provide this answer without missing or without skipping the answer. This Google form can't submit by responder. So it is must or it is must have to fulfill by responder. Now, here is the another options I will discuss later. So here is the first questions to collect data from donor, blood donor. So I am just duplicating the questions. So here is the duplicated the questions, and I can ask the donor the name of gender. So gender you can choose here the multiple choice. Okay, I'm just clicking the multiple choice. Choice is here. First options is, let's say, male, and second is all add. Okay, here is the automatic AI system suggest us. Then you can choose this system. So first option is male, second is female, then third is prefer not to say. Oh, it's okay. And it's also a required option. I'm just on the required button here. So next question I will make from here. that is what is the age of the donor. So it's a short answer. It's a short answer, and it's definitely required. And response validation, it should be a number, this number, and it should be a whole number. It's okay. Then I'm just going to the another questions, that is occupation. What is the occupation of the donor? Occupation, and it will be the multiple choice or it will be the short answer. The occupation could be student, job holder, freelancer, content creator, businessman, or any others. So it is also required, and I'm just going to other questions, that is phone number. You can ask phone number to contact with the donor. Okay, it's the short answer, and it's a required. Definitely it should be the number and should be the whole number. Okay, and blood group name. So I'm just making the another option, that is what is the blood group name. Blood group. Okay, and multiple choice, and I prefer for multiple choice from here. So first option is a positive, and second is a negative, and third is a negative, positive, negative, C B positive, and B negative. The AB you can say, or others to save time. Others. Okay, let's move it. AB positive, AB negative, and O positive, O negative. Then it is required, and I'm just going to the last question, that is present address. Address. Present address. This can be paragraph or short answer. Okay, it's optional. no need to required, no need to on the required option from here. So here is the form I have made to collect data from blood donor, and here is a question pattern. And if you want to see your Google form pattern that donor or responder will see, then here is the format. Okay. Okay. And if we want to looking good the Google form, then you can customize some options from here. That is, options come from the customized theme. So customize theme from here. This is the header. You can change the font type, that is changed, and you can change the font size. Okay, font size, and you can change the questions font type and as well as font size from here as you wish. So you can customize from here, and if you want to select an image in the header, then you can choose from here. So in this case, I'm just selecting or picking up a photo about blood donor like this, and click on the done. Okay, and this page is automatically set up on the top position of header. So it is important, and it is also looking good about that. What about the Google form? So it's a visual issue. If you wish, you can add it. Okay, if you want to change the color from here, then you can change the color from here. Okay, here's the screen. Here's the preview. How look other in the Google form. So now it's time to send the Google form to your responder. So click on send here, and you can send this Google form by email address or by link. So you can share it to Google, share it to Facebook, Twitter, or an individual group by just copying this link to share your group or community to collect data about blood donor. So I'm just sorting the URL to for looking good and copy it over here and paste it. Successfully paste enter. Yes, the Google form is open here. So I will fill up to show you how to fill up and how to collect data. Let's say name, let's say data stadium, and gender male, age let's say 44, occupation job holder, and phone number, let's say something like that, and blood group, let's say minus, A minus or A negative, let's say present address BD. If you click the button submit from here, then your answer or response will be collected in the Google Sheet of which is connected to Google Form. So I'm just clicking here the submit button, and here is the message: your response has been recorded. That means you have successfully successfully respond or successfully give the information to the sender. Okay. Okay, here you can see the response 1. That means few seconds ago I have a response from my side, from my email. So just click on response. Here you can see the response. The name of responder is here. Every data is here. You can see. So if every responder responds in the Google Sheet, the number will be rising 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we think once that I no need to accept more responses from this Google Sheet, then you can click here to stop the accepting responses from here like this. So you can control from here, and you can see here is the download responses as a CSV, separated value format, and you can print all responses, you can delete all responses. Here is the control from this dot option. And if you want to see the collected data, where is collected data? Is those you can see. Here is the collected data which already I submitted from my account. So you can see here. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will show you another formula to collect those data and analyze this data. This formula is very useful formula to organize or to pick up to another sheet for your analysis. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. And if you have any questions, any feedback, any recommendations, any queries, please let me know in the comments box. So I will pick up this value is here to analyze those data. So just I am clicking here and put the equal sign here and write array. Here is the array formula here. Please click on it here. Array formula. Array formula is activated, and what does it mean? Why I use the array formula here? So array formula is just picking the value from one sheet to another sheet, one place to another place, one cell to another cell, just like copy in your customized way. So here I need just select now the range. So I am going to here, and I'm selecting the range from here. Okay. So I'm just trying to select all the way. It can help. And press enter. Just I select all the column, all the row in this entire sheet. why I select all the way, every response will be recorded in the Google form, and those recorded data is transferred to the new sheet here by this formula. No need to make every time, no need to update this formula. So that's why I select all the way in the sheet. Okay, it's important. So just close the bracket and press enter. Wow, it's very interesting. You can see here is the data is clean and specific. Every response is recorded and transferred to here, and you can analyze them that about your blood group. You can analyze those data according to blood group, according to location, according to job holder of, or according to occupation, age, gender, any other type. So what is your requirement? What is your main goal to collect data? That is important. If you want to just collect this data as information, then that is enough to you. Or if you want to analyze those data for a specific reason, then you can analyze those data to grow your business or to solve your problem. So I hope we enjoy this video, and I will discuss on this Google form in advance later. So thank you so much for watching this video.